welcome back to my channel. My name is Denise and this is Denise Official Beauty. Please welcome back to another video. Yeah, so I'm going to be starting another vlog, and yeah, I'm here at my cousin's house. She's not going to show her face because she doesn't like to show her face on camera, but yeah, she's cooking. Another thing why I can't do a thing, you see my bouillie, I'm at manger at the same time. I'm going to be eating at the same time. I can't do that. I only taste. This is why I can't do none of that business. I only taste. And then this one? You see that one? I don't know. I gotta clean that one. I always clean that part, cook it. And then baking soda and trying to make it clean. That's why people have this thing. I don't think it's cute. They put it on the castor and make the castor new again. They call it some type of powder. Oh, the camera is on. Oi! No, people are bad. You look like you look bad. It's blur. It's blur. It's blurred. Why did you get a mask for? Look, your face is blurred. They can't see you. Anyways, I'll be right back. I'll be right back. After the commercial. Yes, you will. I still gotta. It's called kitchen. It's called. I'm so greedy. I'm so greedy. You're so real? I'm so greedy. Why are you greedy? That's not so greedy. For me, greedy is like when someone keeps begging and so la is figure na camera. Me kon sa ma video to ponya. Oh, okay. Let's just call the baba feeding na. Wait. She's doing her business, don't want to show her face, y'all. But don't worry, the food is delicious. Cause y'all know I'm lazy. I'm not doing all this cooking. Not me. This is too much coffee. This is gonna raise my blood pressure. Oh my god, this is like therapy. See? Me? No, God. This is like therapy, my darling. This is off the chain, okay? I'm washing dishes. You're cooking, washing dishes? Hey, I'm a wifey today. Me? I don't do this, so. Well, I do. But I just, I'm that type, like, when I clean house, I clean for therapy. I don't do nothing. You know, like, I clean, but I'm not doing nothing after that. Oh my god. Does that make sense? I clean, I cook, I do everything. Does that make sense? You know how you clean, but you clean for therapeutic reasons? Oh, glance of the beautiful lady who's doing all this food, you know, over here. The beautiful lady who's doing all the poulet chicken, griot. Pork. It's like grill's like fried pork. It's cooked differently. You know what I mean? It's cooked differently. Not everybody, bless you. Not everybody can cook pork. You know what I mean? And then we have, well, in English they call it black rice or mushroom rice. So, and then you got the macaroni and the fried plantain coming. So, okay. Alright guys, so basically I know I've been like kind of joking around. So my cousin is she's cooking. She's, how to say it, she's doing her, she has a business and she has a menu that comes out, well, this is the first menu. It comes out every Saturday. And so for this menu, it's chicken griot. There is a customer that ordered fish, so it's just preparation right now. Right now the pork is on the stove. We fried the plantain, but it's gonna get refried because it has to be like smashed down, you know, with this here. So it's mainly Caribbean food, Haitian origin. So yeah, so for anybody who wants to start a business, this is how you do it. You gotta start from the bottom, okay? You gotta start from the ground. You gotta hustle, okay? You gotta hustle. You know the song? What's the song's name? Started from the bottom, now we're here. Okay, that one. You guys know what I meant, okay? But anyways, yeah. Saturday. Remember so, when you wanted to do YouTube? Do you still want to do YouTube?
With me, can I do a YouTube without my face?
What? Yeah. But what you gonna do?
Okay.
Oh yes, that's another branding. Okay. You know what I'm gonna do when you do this? When you do this, I'll do the cooking. Well, you have to do the channel. Okay. So we gotta work on the channel.
Was that you?
We gotta work on the channel. And then, yeah, so look up for Nazia's Haitian cuisine. Okay? But, yeah, so, like, I'm quite active this Saturday. Normally my Saturdays I'm still in my bed or something, or I don't know. I'm in love with this pot. Look at this. This is that grandma pot here. That big old, you sure that's a chaudière? Is this a chaudière?
Chaudière.
Chaudière?
Chaudière.
Chaudière. No, that's my BC right there.
That's the soup pot.
That's the soup pot.
This pot, it's too big for me to cook soup for you because I don't have the meat.
Yeah, I need the meat. I don't want no dry soup. No dry soup.
Nevaeh.
I'm getting ready to get the key. Did you put down the thing to say banana? No, let me do it from here. In that video.
Put the thing right on the damn camera.
It's okay. It's called content creating.
Oh, so what about me take your ala? On the side of the genie, so leave the space for the view. I'm wondering why I put it up.
Me take your ala?
Yeah, me show you how I go to
pour toi? I need a spoon. This fork is not gonna.
You find someone, Mom? You find someone now?
Yes.
I know.
Yippee.
You're in the room. They come get a plate. Let me take you something. What is it?
I'll be back to that one. Just trying to eat. Guys, so this is the griot, plantain, macaroni, and the mushroom rice or black rice. So we are serving 3 plates right now. This is for the poulet?
Yeah.
Okay, so this one here will be for the chicken. Then we have the pickles. This is the chicken right here. So, and we're out for delivery. The business lady herself does not want to show her face, so you're just gonna see her back. Wait, let me turn the camera on me. I was telling her how I hate my makeup. Oh gosh, I can't stand it. No, it's a mess. No, I don't like it. This is anti-makeup. Look, it look cakey. It's very cakey. This is cheap makeup. I need to stop. You can tell it looked like the makeup you had in 3 years. You didn't change your makeup. That's what it looked like. That's what it's giving.
Expire makeup?
Yes. I can't stand it. And then me having oily skin makes it. It
doesn't even look like you have makeup on. Like, oh yeah.
Yes, yes. It looks off. I see. It looks very off. I see. It looks disgusting, guys. Anyways, guys, we're out for delivery. So if you're in Scarborough, hit us up with a delivery fee. Yes, in and free. In. Okay. I lost my way. I couldn't be a what you call it, DoorDash. Honey, I be delivering the food the wrong places, and trust me, I wouldn't even care. I wouldn't even care. Don't bother me. Oh, look where I'm going. You know when I knew something was off, when I didn't see the Haitian and the Gambian flag. Make sure you put on this one. Oh yeah, pay me no mind.
Just to put my face in it, put my body in.
Akila, what made you feel like that?
I'm feeling bell, feeling fonty. You gonna this style of my.
And when you do it, you still don't want your face on it. Don't even try it. Don't even try it.
I will have the how you say it, the courage to put my face into the thing. I will, especially with this. I will. With you, I will. Okay. Hello, what's up? Hello. What's the thing? What is it? YouTube?
Yeah, YouTube. This
Hello,
is YouTube.
Hello, YouTube.
You know who's doing YouTube? All right, so we have come to bring the food. My cousin is actually bringing the food right now. She's delivering it. So the place was quite far, and what she did is she charged them like a delivery fee, because you want to make a profit when you're doing a business. So that's what's going on right now. So yeah, so my Saturdays is just helping out my but anyway, so my Saturdays I spent helping my cousin just starting her business. She did really well. I am so proud of her. You know, it's all about the support, guys. So if you have anybody around you that wants to do something, and you know, it's so important to support that person, to support each other, because support goes a long way. Yeah, so this is what my Saturday is like, okay? And I'm not gonna lie, guys, like I said before, I cannot stand my makeup. I really do hate my makeup right now. I just hate this. But yeah, I'm just here. You guys are spending the day with me, just cooking, having fun, you know, vlogging to you guys. Don't forget to press that red button and subscribe to the channel. Yeah, that's pretty much my day. I did order some food from her also. Again, like I said, it's all about the support. I ordered 2 plates so that way I can have food for today. I can have food for tomorrow. Yeah, I mean, I can cook myself, but I know myself, I don't do a lot of cooking. So why not support it? You know what I mean? At a place where I can take, at a time where I can take that money and go and spend it on DoorDash, or go and spend it on unnecessary things to eat. Why not use it and spend it and support a business? You know what I mean? And especially it's your family's business. Why not? So I thought that was a great idea. So I ordered 2 plates, excuse me, from her. And yeah, so it is what it is. A day in the life with me, okay?
I'm back to get the family for next week. What is it cheap? Let's get it. What?
Thank you.